Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your nickname in Genshin Impact. To do so, you first need to launch your game via the Epic Games Launcher, and once you're in game, press Escape on your keyboard, which will bring up the game menu. And once you're in the game menu, select this pen icon right here, and then click on Edit Nickname. Click here first, and then type the nickname you want to change it to, like so. And to change the nickname, all you need to do is press Confirm, and your nickname will be changed. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming.